Alright guys, so what we're going to do here today is the Knight Rider car. This is our continued model build of the Build the Knight Rider Kitmobile. We're going to be doing issues 38, 39, 40, and 41. So without further ado, let's get onto the bench, bring the car back, and start putting this thing right together. Alright, since we haven't touched this car in a long time, this is how far we've gotten. Now, I do have some more stuff coming in. It'll be for the dashboard. I think you guys will be very impressed with what's coming. We possibly will be getting a new motherboard, but we're going to, for now, install the motherboard that it comes with until that one comes in. It'll be hopefully within a month or so. But we have all of our parts here for stage 38. So we're going to get on with it and we'll be good to go. Okay, little tidbit for you is everything that we did with this tire here, we're going to be mimicking it on the other side. So that way we can put the tire on today and this thing will be on all four tires finally. So what we're going to do is I have to get back here and I have to put in all of our rods and everything. And I'll be sticking this inside here, and then I'm going to screw it in so that way we can have all that squared away. And then once I have that all screwed in and good to go, doing is we're going to grab a BP screw and I'm going to screw this piece in. Now we have to add this piece. What I've already done is I put the CP screw and attach this. It goes right on inside and it's going to have a little bit of mobility, but that's good. So then the next thing you do is you're going to have to take this, put it on top of this. Once that goes on top, then we come back and we grab one more piece, which will be 35 Bravo, and that here is going to be this piece. We have this one here. Oh, I stand corrected here. Hold on. Okay, so I was right. You just gotta take this piece, and you're gonna take your BP screw. You're gonna screw it in this way. But you're gonna have to bring this one down, connect it here to 35 Bravo. Then you're going to take your BP screw, stick it on inside, and just start screwing it in. Alright, so for step 5, we get 2 of the GM screws, and we're going to be screwing them into here and here. And so now here comes the fun part. We're going to attach it, and then we're going to screw it in with 2 GM screws. We're going to put a GM screw here and one down here. Now we're going to take up in here and we're going to attach it up here using another screw. Right, so the other screw that's going to come up for this side is going to be a GM screw as well. I'm going to go ahead and put that in and then bring another GM screw over to here. And there you have it. It is all set. It's all hooked up. I have my GM screw that I put in through here, which then locks this in. Both GM screws on here. So now our next step is to start getting our little discs here. So we're going to get out 38F, okay, and we're going to get ready because we need laying in 38H. Just so you know, I don't want to make y'all feel like we forgot about it, but there is a piece that we're going to be putting in, and it goes right here, and it's that crooked, weird, goofy piece, just like we had on the other side. So I'm going to take an AP screw and get this inside, so that way we have a connector port where our brake line will be attaching. So it'll go on just like so, and we'll be good to go. All right, so I put this together, and I put DP screws here and here, and I also attached this with our AP screws. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this hose and attach it to that little guy there, and voila, it's all set. So now our next step is to attach this to our wheel frame. All right, so now that we do that, grab that, bring it on down, bring it on down. Come on, come on. Oh, it just wants to be finicky. That's fine. There it is. Boom. And it's locked in place. Look at that. Nice and locked in place. with our cable still attached, doing solid. That's good. And as a result, that would be the end here of stage 38. So we're going to move on real quick and move on to stage 39. All right, folks. So we have done this 3 times, and this will be our 4th and final time messing with the tires. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, put everything together because you've seen all 3. Don't need to dull you with the last one. So I'm going to leave that out this time to save you some time while you're moving along. But just remember, these rims get attached together inside the tire. Then you have your other pieces here, your hubcap, and some screws and a washer, so you can attach it later on to here, but we'll get to that here in a few. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and put this together. Alright, so the tire is all completed. Everything looks good. We also put in our drum cap in here to cover up the brakes here. So the next thing is to place this tire on and then put the hubcap on, and then we'll be done, and the vehicle will then be able to stand on all 4. Alright, so now we put the washer in, a tiny little washer, we'll put that in there, and then we grab ourselves an OM screw, and we're going to screw it in. Here we go. And there we go, very little wiggle, and now I put on the hubcap. Hubcap's going to be easy, so we'll put that on, I'll let you see it all done. Alright, so as you can see here, it is now on all 4 tires. This is some behind the scenes footage that I decided to include into this video. And right now I'm just basically checking out those 4 jacks that we get, the little 4 blocks, to see how they would mount up on the car, and kind of see the height that it gives the car, so we can focus on some items that we're going to be doing here in the near future to the car. Because as you know, we still have to put the body on, we still have the interior to get worked on, we have the dashboard and everything that we're doing here in the future for this car. So I figured to just kind of see what it looks like before I posted it as a part of the video. Now with this here, I was looking around and trying to see if maybe I might have dropped some screws, because I noticed that when you put in the speaker cap housing, that there was no, how should I say, any screws to bolt it in. So I basically just decided to just put it in place and just wait and see what would happen, and maybe look at some future magazines that I have to see where I can actually find the screws. But that's what I ended up doing. And so other than that, that is what we ended up with for just this. So I just put it on, as you can see, and decided I'm just going to leave it. Alright guys, so really quick, this is what we're going to be doing. Alright, everything here, this is everything that we're going to be doing. It's all about putting on these, I guess you can call them jack stands, but we're not going to do that today. So other than that, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we got some more action-packed stuff coming in. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, gotta go. Keep on modeling.